Which choice best states the main purpose of the text? The following text is from the 1924 poem Cycle by D'Arcy McNichol, who was a citizen of the Confederated Salish and Kootenai tribes. There shall be new roads wending, a new beating of the drum. Men's eyes shall have fresh seeing, grey lives reprise their span. But under the new sun's being, completing what night began, there'll be the same backs bending, the same sad feet shall drum, when this night finds its ending, and day shall have come. So overall, the text highlights a sort of cycle, which is, after all, the title of this poem, and it highlights how there is a sort of repetitiveness in human life, where is the same backs bending, the same sad feet shall drum, and then there's night and day, the repetitiveness of night and day. So this is overall the main purpose or focus of this text. So let's look at the answer choices. A. To consider how the repetitiveness inherent in human life can be both rewarding and challenging. So this seems to be the correct answer because the poem is heavily focused on repetitiveness, with the title, after all, being called Cycle, and it highlights how they're the same backs bending, the same sad feet shall drum, and then the repetitiveness of night and day. And then it highlights how this can be rewarding, where there's new roads wending and new beating of the drum, and there's fresh seeing, but at the same time there is the sadness in like the same repetitiveness. This. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. To question whether activities completed at one time of day are more memorable than those completed at another time of day. This is incorrect because the idea of memorableness at one time of day or another time of day is not mentioned at all in the text, where no activities being memorable is highlighted in the text at all. And because of this, B is incorrect. C. To refute the idea that joy is a more commonly experienced emotion than sadness is. This is incorrect because although joy and sadness are intermittent in this text, the frequency of these emotions or ideas aren't really mentioned in the text. Therefore, we can't say anything about how joy or sad is more commonly experienced emotion than sadness is. So C is incorrect. D. To demonstrate how the experiences of individuals relate to the experiences of their communities. This is incorrect because the experiences of individuals and the experiences of communities are not mentioned at all in the text. Therefore, we can simply eliminate option choice D. And that leaves us with option choice A as the correct answer.